This is basically how it looks in the middle of the street. Blocked in. You don't hear from us for a while, you know what we're doing. We're digging out because there's a deep freeze coming. And just trying to hold our own again.
The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it
so this is Chicago, the day after the big snow, and we're still getting tons of snow here. Streets are impassable. The blowers are out. There's drifts for various amounts. As you can see, some people take the easy way. Use those big ugly machines that spew tons of toxic fumes in the air. But real men don't need no stinking machines. And I'll tell them that one day. Just not today. But anyway, this is the friendly south side of Chicago reporter saying over and out from the second day of the blizzard of 2011, this millennium. Thank you all. Bye now. Not too many, to tell you the truth. That's the spirit. Got to start. It's time to go in. Because you can't clear this shit up. Okay, that's it. Let me continue with my mission here. One flake at a time. Over and out. Peace, everybody.